Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, I'm diving into the Jada Toys Bumblebee Volkswagen Beetle, celebrating the 40th anniversary of Transformers. With the new Transformer 1 movie playing in theaters near you. And I'm planning to catch the movie this weekend. Can't wait to share my thoughts. What about you guys? Are you planning to watch Transformers? Let me know in the comments. And I picked up this Jada Toys Bumblebee for about $7.99, and with tax, it came to nearly $10. So let's unbox it and see how it looks in person. And it has a lots of tape, and you will need to unscrew the Bumblebee Beetle. So it takes a little effort, but trust me, it's worth it. But once it's out, you can see how cool it looks. It has a vibrant yellow color, and you can see the Transformer logo on the hood and the back and base. They have placed the logos on every side of the car, and it looks really cool. Right now, I'm really enjoying this stunning diecast from Jada Toys. They are truly stepping up their game with cool diecast cars. And I'm also excited to unbox the Wednesday Volkswagen Beetle car soon. Just waiting for the right moment. Let's back to the Volkswagen Beetle. Hot Wheels has also released a Bumblebee, which is 1:64 scale, and this Jada model, however, is 1:32 scale, and it feels super sturdy. I'm on the hunt for those Hot Wheels, but they have been hard to find in stores. But the search continues. The Lego has also launched a Bumblebee Volkswagen, and while I would love to snag one, price is a bit steep. If it drops, you bet I'll be adding that to my collection. Each brand brings something unique to the table. Hot Wheels are adorable in their 1:64 scale, perfect for on-the-go fun, while the Jada Toys version is larger and built to last. I even did a drop test, and nothing broke off, still looking great. I don't have the Lego one yet, but once I do, you can count on a dedicated video. Creating these videos takes a lots of effort and research, so I would really appreciate your support. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thanks for tuning in. You're all amazing, and I truly appreciate your support. Because of you, the channel thrives. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, happy collecting.